Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. How can I screenshot my open window or how can I screenshot my specific area? So I will go to Insert tab and then you can see that camera sign. Click the node on the side on at the bottom and then either you can screenshot the window or you can screen clipping, which is customize option. If I click screen clipping, so you can basically just customize screenshot. Click this one and it will appear here. Delete it. There is shortcut way to take the screenshot in Word, in Microsoft Word as well. The shortcut key is Alt N S C. So again, it will show me the clipping and clipping it will customize the screenshot which I want. Delete to go back. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.